Hello friends, welcome to BITA Academy. Today we are going to see what is frozen set. Frozen set is the immutable data type. Immutable means we cannot modify the frozen set once we create it. We cannot add or delete some element from the frozen set. How to declare the frozen set? We have to use the frozen set keyword. Inside of this, we have to pass any sequence data type. List, tuple, set, dictionary, whatever it is, we can pass inside of this frozen set keyword. Consider this example. I have a tuple input. Tup is equal to good morning 24 6.78 t plus 4.60. We are giving some different input inside of this tuple, and we are trying to pass this tuple inside of frozen set of tup. Now we are going to print this f variable. While printing this frozen set input, it will come along with the frozen set keyword. Because of this frozen set keyword only, we are getting this curly bracket. Next, we are going to see what is mapping type. Mapping is nothing but dictionary data type. Dictionary is a key value pair of items. Key and value is separated with a colon. In Python, we don't have any semicolon concept. We are going to separate key and value with a colon. Name is a key, Jans is a value, age is a key, 22 is a value. Similar to that, we can able to give n number of inputs inside of your single sequence data type dictionary. So we are going to give dictionary name, student name, colon, arrow, age, 19, department, CSE, 2022, year. Whenever you are using the string input, in that case only we have to use the quotes. Here both are string input, we are using the quotes. 19, 2022, these are all the integer inputs. In this place, we no need to use any quotes. Print of dictex. So if you are trying to print, that means you will get the output as it is. Because dictionary is also an ordered collection, we will get the output as it is. Next, we are going to see what is Boolean type. In Boolean type, we have two keywords. One is true and another is false. Always true have value of 1 and false have value of 0. Whenever we are trying to print this true and false, we need to follow the uppercase for first letter, T and F. Print of true and print of false. Whenever we are trying to execute this, first case true, it will be printed as it is. False, I am getting an error. Why? Because this interpreter is assumed that false is a string input. We are missing the quotes. But we are take this false as a Boolean data type. We have to follow that uppercase for this F. Now both are Boolean data type. So if you want to know the type of data, what is the function we have to use? That is type in inbuilt function. So if you are checked with the type function, you will get the result as bool data type. You can able to use constructor also for Boolean data type, bool of hello. So you can able to pass any non-zero value. It will be considered as a true section only. Okay. So these are all the Boolean data type. In next video, we will discuss what is byte and byte.